The VG2 large format inkjet printer cutter offers you comprehensive color choices, advanced machine efficiency, and increased print and cut accuracy for true unattended production. Crank out thousands of posters, produce prints on specialty materials, or create vehicle graphics with exact brand colors to meet the exacting standards of both you and your clients. Available in 54-inch and 64-inch widths to accommodate the needs of your business. The VG2 540 and 640 use 4 FlexFire print heads that place precision droplets to maximize printing performance at even production speeds. Award-winning TR2 inks feature new green and orange ink choices to target previously unreachable or difficult to match colors. Choose from 5 different ink sets to best suit the needs of your application requirements. TR2 inks are available in C, M, Y, K, light cyan, light magenta, light black, orange, green, and white. The off-the-chart color gamut of TrueRich Color 2 when using TR2 ink maximizes the potential of both printer and ink for ultimate vibrancy combined with neutral grays, smooth gradations, and natural skin tones. Standard Pantone and other spot colors can quickly be matched with accurate results using the Roland DG color system library. A new green and orange territory of color doesn't just mean advanced green and orange color matching. It equates to new areas of purples, reds, and other challenging hues. A new multi-process color function has also been developed for the VF2 640 to enable use of orange and green inks as process colors. Other features added for improved workflow and ease of use include smart new media clamps with integrated grooves that will no longer interfere with sheet cutting, making any need for manual interference between jobs a thing of the past. Also, a section grit roller and pinch roller system makes material easy to load and also maintain tracking accuracy even over the longest jobs. Also included with the VF2 640 is the TUC4 take-up system, which offers 2 modes to expertly handle everything from thin films to heavy canvas materials and provides take-up stability for a smooth post-process, perfect for unattended roll-to-roll printing. The VG2 series uses a simple, intuitive LCD control panel. Easily access setup, cleaning, and calibration functions to ensure optimal print performance from job to job. Also included with the VG2 series is Versaworks. With the latest edition of the world's most popular RIP software, you can effortlessly manage your print output. With just a few clicks of the mouse, easily set up jobs with cropping, tiling, and nesting functions. Versaworks is simple yet also houses powerful tools like printer color match between devices, as well as access to the Roland Profile Center for all of the most up-to-date custom profiles. The simple yet powerful tools on board the VG2 series make creating the most popular applications like vehicle graphics, wall and window graphics, POP and poster displays, banners and other traditional signage, along with things like fine art, photography, heat transfer for apparel decorations, or even decals, a snap. For more information on the Roland VG2 series, please visit www.rolanddga.com.